Okay, right, so this is the last question, and the last question you can expect to be quite tough. Remember that a lot of your paper is on the higher paper, so this is a true high question. Let's have a look at it. So, the whole question is about finding the shaded area. Okay, so the shaded area is a circle with a square cut out of it. So, I'll need to find the area of the circle, which is pi r squared, and I'm going to take away the square. Okay, the square is going to be length times width, okay, which is 8 times 8. So I will take away 64 in the end. Okay. Now pi r squared, I need to find this radius. And the radius is from here to here. Okay, so that's this length here, from the centre to the edge. Now, it's not as obvious as you think. It's nothing to do with just doubling the 8, and the length here is not just 16. Okay, it's not that straightforward. What you might know is that these two lengths here are the same. Okay, and if these two are the same, this is actually an isosceles triangle. Okay, and if it's an isosceles triangle, I know that if that's 90 here, these two will be 45 degrees. And if they're 45 degrees, like that, I know this is 8, I can find this side here, okay, but using SOHCAHTOA, using trigonometry. So this is the opposite side, and this is hypotenuse, so it's SO, okay, and therefore I can use the SO, I can use sine angle equals O over H, so sine 45 equals X over 8, and 8 can move here, so 8 sine 45. So that gives me 8 sine 45, 5.656. I'm going to write loads of that down. 5.6568. It keeps going, but that's what I'll do for now. 85. So that's the radius. That's this here. Okay. So pi r squared will be pi times by our answer squared. So 5.65685 squared. So that's the area of the circle, so pi times by 5.65685 squared. So that's the area of our circle. Then I did say we would take away the square. So I'm taking that away now. And I get 36.5308 blah blah. So that is the shaded area, but it wants the answer to 3 significant figures. So that starts from the front. So 3, that's me drawing a box. 3, 6, 5. These are the numbers to use. I'm either going to round the last one up or down. The first one to go is a 3, so I'm going to keep it the same. Okay, quite a tough question. Okay, because SOHCAHTOA is tricky on the foundation, but it's even trickier when they hide it like that.